So today we take a look at this. This is the Aosu security camera. It's 100% wireless and it comes with a fixed solar panel on it for $59. I will link it in the description down below if you want to grab one of these after you've watched this video, because this thing is exceptional for the price. I've been really impressed. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and Aosu did send me this to review, but this is something I've been testing and it's a totally honest review. I absolutely love this product and I'm going to be getting loads more for around my house. So I've fixed this outside to keep track of packages coming on the garage, because you know Amazon tend to just chuck them outside the door or behind the green bin, and it's good to have a camera there so I can keep track and make sure that they're safe if I'm not in the house. So that's the reason I've installed it outside. And the ease of installation to start with was so simple. It comes with everything in the box you need to get started and to install it. It comes with the screws in the box. It comes with a little template so you know where to put the screws into your wall. It comes with the mounting bracket, and then all that does is just slides on there, clicks on there, and it's really easy to install. It actually comes with a little sticker in the box as well, so you can warn people that you are recording and you've got a security setup. It comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable, which you have to sort of charge the device initially just to get it all set up, and then it just works on solar power from there onwards. It's brilliant. And then you've got the instruction manual and everything. The app as well, I've been super impressed with. It's so easy to use and to sort of activate all the settings. I'm going to record my phone for you so I can just run through the app to show you exactly what you can do from the application. This is also compatible with Alexa and Google Home Smart hubs, so you can link this up to your Google Alexa and control it from that, but it's so easy. So anyway, this is the application. We're in here, and what you do, you've got your camera linked up, so you can see it links onto the Wi-Fi. Really easy to connect it to the Wi-Fi. It was super simple, no problems whatsoever, and this is sort of the setup. And as you can see, you can move your camera around left and right. This button in the middle where it says 360, you press that and it actually takes a 360 panoramic view of your outside. So what you do then is you can press anywhere on that panoramic view and it will sort of zoom left and right and zoom to the point where you want it to go to. So that's a really nice feature as well. On this app you can actually play back some recent events. You've got the SD and Ultra HD. You can change the sort of the resolution of your camera. Then you can literally record from here to your phone's device. So whatever you press record will be saved on your phone's photo album. I really like that. It does have a built-in SD card. I've got a micro SD card in there, so you can record directly to that as well. So the automated events, the tracking events, it will record like 30 or 60 seconds, but you can press record here and it actually saves it directly to your phone storage. I really like that feature. You can take a snapshot as well, which saves your phone storage, and then you can press the sound on or off. You can hear the birds tweeting probably, and the pigeons. Along the bottom you've got illumination, so you can turn the light on and off. There's a light on the front, and that's really handy for when you're coming home. You can turn the light on and then it'll illuminate your way. You've got tone, you've got talk, so you can activate a two-way speaker as well, so whoever's at the door, if there's somebody dropping packages or somebody sneaking around your home, you can activate this speaker and ask them what they're up to. That's a great feature. And then you've got an alarm, so you can actually activate an alarm to warn people away from your property, so that you can do that directly from the application. Then you've got more. You can activate tracking, so it will actually track humans from this. So if there's anybody walking around, it will track it and follow them left and right. You've got voice alert, and you've got the calibrate button right there as well. So there's a bunch of different settings. You can change the motion detection, the auto alarm settings, notification, cloud recording. You can change the video and audio from 2K. You can change what it does when it actually goes light. It's got an auto AI, it's got an auto light sensor on there, so once it gets dark you can change what it does. White light, aided illumination, turn off infrared light, or you can have automatic switching based on the ambient light level from the ambient light detection. On the camera you can turn on the LED or turn it off. You can schedule it to go to sleep at certain times of the day if you don't want to, and then link it to Alexa or Google Home right there. So it's really capable application, and I've been super impressed with how it works. It just works seamlessly. Okay, so we are out here with the application. I'm going to click on my camera, and then you can just move it round left and right like so. so you can see it moving round. You can actually turn on the light. I'm interested to see what that looks like. Wow, it's really bright. So the lights are on there. Look right at it and just blinded myself. Very, very bright indeed. So that's that. And then we're going to test out the alarm. This is what the alarm sounds like. Okay, pretty loud alarm as well. I'm very, very impressed with that. So yeah, that's what it looks like. That's how it sounds, and that's how it works. Super, super impressed with everything, and the fact that it charges itself and it's totally Wi-Fi. It was easy to install, and I can't believe I didn't know about these products before, to be honest, because I would have installed them a long time ago. That's great. So 100% Wi-Fi, easy to set up, really good quality camera, very, very good quality app and usability. I've been really impressed with it. So that is the Aosu camera. If you do want to grab one, there'll be a link in the description. That's it for this video. Check out this video there. You might like that one. And if you're into tech and all sorts of things like we do on this channel, then check out this video right there as well. Subscribe, really does help. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.